The Congress has bulldozed all criticism of making this a mom, pop and family election by picking a wife, a daughter, a son and a brother in their list of 7 candidates announced, bowing down to the Monserrats, the Alemaus, the Ranes, Naiks and the Madkaikars. Meanwhile, Congress General Secretary Oscar Fernandes arrived in Goa and immediately found himself engaged in dealing with delegations of various disgruntled ticket aspirants.
As expected, Churchill Alemao, who is also in the fray with his minister brother Joachim, got his lawyer daughter Valanka Alemao the Banauli ticket, while the urban development minister is still looking for another seat for his son Yuri Alemao, who is vying for the Sangay seat. Another minister, Atanasio Monserrat, who has already been announced as a candidate for Santa Cruz by the Congress party, denying 4-time winner Victoria Fernandes, also had the opportunity to grab the Talegaon constituency for his wife Jennifer. Another Babush protege mayor, Yathan Parikh, has been selected for the Panjim constituency. Mr. Monserrat has tried but has not yet succeeded till date the Kankana seat for his buddy Isidore Fernandes, along with the Maye seat for another protege, Deputy Mayor Rudresh Chorankar. Health Minister and son of 5 times Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane, Vishwajit Rane's hand-picked boy Uday D. Palekar, also managed to get the Sulam Congress ticket, along with the Bicholi seat for Rajesh Patnekar, Mandre seat for Dayanand Sopte, Sankeli constituency for Pratap Gaus. His father Pratap Singh Rane is also in the fray in Porye constituency. Home Minister Ravi Naik, who has already announced his candidature in Ponda, also succeeded in getting his son Ritesh the Madkai nomination on the Congress ticket. Ravi Senior is waiting for the announcement of his son Roy as a Nationalist Congress Party candidate for Maye. The Madkaikar brothers Pandrang in Kumbarjua and Daku in Priol complete the family coterie to contest the assembly elections. Congress leader Oscar Fernandes was welcomed at Daboli Airport with a garao by supporters of Saifullah Khan and pressed for his candidature from Margao. Later in Panjim, Mr. Fernandes was busy in meeting various delegations in a bid to pacify them.
Clarifying the party ideology and loyalty, Oscar Fernandes said public opinion and winnability factors had been considered before giving election tickets to the Congress candidates. He said the names of the remaining 4 candidates will be announced within 2 days. Mr. Fernandes was addressing media persons at Congress House, Panjim on Wednesday. Meanwhile, supporters of Isidore Fernandes met Oscar Fernandes and Sudhakar Reddy and requested them to allot Kankana seat to Isidore.
Pending, there are 4 seats where we have to decide, and maybe in a couple of days we'll try to finalize. And
not possible to
no, it will take another 2-3 days. We have gone by the views of the party workers. We have gone by the views of the people, the voters, and going by their demand and request, the party has taken the decision. And it is very important that the Congress party wins the elections, and we have decided on the winnable candidates. There are issues which pertain to individuals, there are issues which pertain to the whole party and the success of the party in the state. And I have to tell you that when we consider the whole thing, we have worked out our own strategy to see that we also have a comfortable majority in the state.